Quick explanation of noun phrases. A noun phrase is a group of words built around a noun. It includes a main noun and extra words, like adjectives, determiners, or prepositional phrases, that give more details. Examples of noun phrases. A big red apple. Apple is the main noun, a big red describes it. The book on the table. Book is the main noun, the and on the table describe it. My best friend. Friend is the main noun, my best describes it. Quick tip for noun phrases. A noun phrase can be short, the dog, or long, the small brown dog with floppy ears. The small brown dog sits on the bed. Let's practice with noun phrases. I bought a beautiful dress yesterday.
I bought a beautiful dress yesterday.
She adopted a small puppy from the shelter.
She adopted a small puppy from the shelter.
We enjoyed the delicious homemade cake.
We enjoyed the delicious homemade cake.
He lives in a big house near the lake.
He lives in a big house near the lake.
The red sports car is very expensive.
The red sports car is very expensive.
They visited an old castle in France.
They visited an old castle in France.
She gave me a thoughtful birthday gift.
She gave me a thoughtful birthday gift.
He is reading an interesting science book.
He is reading an interesting science book.
We saw a group of colorful birds in the park.
We saw a group of colorful birds in the park.
The freshly baked cookies smell amazing.
The freshly baked cookies smell amazing.
I need a comfortable pair of shoes.
I need a comfortable pair of shoes.
They decorated the large Christmas tree beautifully.
They decorated the large Christmas tree beautifully.
He works in a famous Italian restaurant.
He works in a famous Italian restaurant.
She enjoys her morning cup of coffee.
She enjoys her morning cup of coffee.
She took a long walk along the beach.
She took a long walk along the beach.
The friendly neighborhood cat visits us daily.
The friendly neighborhood cat visits us daily.
He found a rare coin in his collection.
He found a rare coin in his collection.
She wore a stunning blue dress to the party.
She wore a stunning blue dress to the party.
They adopted a playful golden retriever.
They adopted a playful golden retriever.
We stayed in a cozy cabin in the mountains.
We stayed in a cozy cabin in the mountains.